I got something on fire in there. Yeah, we got some chicken on fire. Okay, that's kind of dangerous, but you sure as heck don't want to throw water on that fire. Get the chicken off of there, even if you have to knock it off onto the ground. Okay, we've just turned the fire off. Now what we'll do is we'll just let it run out, burn itself out. Keep the chicken on the other side. It'll darn sure stay warm, won't it? Well, you want to bet our chicken's ready. Okay, back to our door. Okay, we'll put our latch in there. Drop our latch in, get it straight with the door.